Yo, gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with another banger of a video. Today, it's the weekend, and we out here still hustling, making videos, still trading through the weekends. And I know, you're probably gonna say, BZ, you always say to stay away from OTC on the weekends. Yes, I say stay away from it if you're not a pro. Alright? Now, today we'll be trying to tame that OTC beast on what's today? Saturday, not Sunday. Sunday is the Lord's Day. We don't trade on Sunday. So what else can I say? Let's get right into it, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video. Also, don't forget to join the best Telegram channel with the best signals. Yes, links will be in the description. Come join the gang. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, gang, let's get right into the chart. And the first things that we're going to look at is this video is being done on the weekend. So I want you guys to show you guys how my weekend trading session goes. So first of all, you can see that only OTC pairs are available or regular pairs are not. And this is the way you can make your weekend more active with your trading, being able to analyze. So let's look at British pounds, Australian dollars, and we can see some trend right here. And we can see it trying to pick back up right here, but we don't see that happening. So first indicator I'm gonna add is the stochastic oscillator, and I can see this way down. I can see the market wants to pull upwards from here, but the sellers aren't really giving it a chance, right? So I think right here would be good to enter into a call. We're gonna wait a little bit. I might add usually I could add any trend. It could be zigzag. Let's use zigzag this time. It really doesn't matter what you use. It's just allowing you to visualize so you can see charts better on a straight line. But you always want to look at the outbounds, all the things that goes out of that trend. So you can see this is pretty much being in trend, right? This could be a place where people lose money in trades. But right here, we're seeing that the market is going downwards. So usually if you were to do if we were to use the 1, 2, 3 strategy, where you see the market hit a high point here, it goes down and it doesn't touch the high point and it starts to go down, this has been a good put option. But right here, we're gonna call, just as we said. I think it's gonna be a nice place to enter into a call. Got about 50 seconds on that. Let me open trades up real quick so you guys can see. We're doing this live as always. We've got about 30 seconds. In the money was really close. I think the buyer's got this 30 seconds left. So in the last video, you saw how markets could really flip on, really flip on you. And you can see how the market's completely, it took me for a whole ride. And you can see last second, just lost $1,000, but no fret. I still think that this is a fake out. So I'm gonna double up right here on 1,000. And I think we're gonna be able to take this profit right here. So while doing that, we'll go look at Australian USD, another pair I've been looking at. And as you can see here, not much consistency, but it's looking the market is about to take a dive down. We can see a strong red candle starting here. And you can see this candle been moving up for a while. Now what I'm looking at is not only the candle, I'm looking at the wicks as well. Look at this push right here. We see nothing, just straight green candles. We got about 16 seconds left on that first trade that we made. Looks like we're gonna be able to take profit. So right here, a call might be looking good. So let's go to M5 and see. M5, okay. So it looks good, but I think I'm going to enter into a call. We won both of those trades, missed it because we were busy looking at other things. But we won both of those trades. And here I think I'm going to enter into a call. I can see them really pushing up. So I'm going to enter a call. I could have waited till the end. But I can see that this, look at just off the fact that how strong these candles were. I'm thinking that the market wouldn't just fall all the way down immediately. It's going to take its time. See the buyers fighting that price, not letting it go down. You see where this candle ends is pretty short for a candle at first that looks very, very, very bearish. And then you can see where that candle ends, and that's why. So looking at M5 really put the perspective for me. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, this is definitely a place to enter into a call. And we entered into a call and we took another nice little profit of $920. But you can see how, you know, combining everything together is the goal. That's how it's going to make. So this is probably the first time I'm seeing an OTC that's 75%. Usually almost all of them I see at 92%. There are also ones for 80. They're usually all 92. You know, we stay up. So right here, what are we looking for? So we believe that this market is about to pull down still anyways, right? So right here, we're just going to wait for it a little bit. Oh no, I think it might just continue to be bullish. I think it might just continue to be bullish. This is 1, 2, 3 point. Okay, so I think it might just continue to be bullish. Let's enter, follow their bull run. About 19 seconds, 18 seconds left on that. Trying to end this trading session on a positive. It looks like the sellers want to beat me to it. And it seems like they beat me to it. I was too eager. Could have waited a little bit on that trade. We entered. I can see them still pushing the price up, but I don't know if I have time to wait for that to materialize. 3 seconds. See, if I had waited and I entered anywhere here, you see that price goes up right after. So probably I would have won that trade, but I think you can see how my strategy is working. I have some wins, I have some losses, but overall I'm profitable, plus $1,000 at least. Lost $2,000, made I think 2 back, and made 1 last trade. So literally I'm in the money at the end of the day. So that's it. That's another nice little weekend trading session on the OTC. I'm gonna try to continue, make a part 2 of this. And in the next video, also I'm gonna try all the strategies that I use for OTC, apart from like the regular ones that I use on my channel on the video. And most importantly, most important, to be honest, is we give signals on Sundays, on Saturdays, and it's also important for you guys as traders also to understand the risks that come with OTC and how difficult it can be. And for you to always keep in mind that you're risking only the amount you're willing to lose and never more. Okay? So that's really important. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so you know when a new video comes out. And also, don't forget to join the best Telegram channel out there. Links will be in the description. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.